Video opens to a rainy wooded area backdrop. Big bold text in creamy yellow color reads, Sightless Living. All content copyright symbol, 2021-2022, Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Scene changes to Anita of Sightless Living sitting on a porch bench. It's a dismal day with on and off rain showers, while birds sing in the background. Anita is wearing a charcoal-colored rain jacket. She has on a gray, white, and charcoal hat with a mesh bow, silver dangling earrings with charcoal-colored stones, black mirrored cat eye sunglasses, gray, white, and charcoal python print top, gray pants, and dark lipstick.
Hi everyone, Anita back again. I'm back. I'm here to go through the last part of my What's Your Flavor series with the Ambutech products. I'm sitting out here in the rain, the birds are singing. As far as accessories for your cane through the Ambutech company, they have pouches, holsters, and belt packs. Didn't get a belt pack. I have a pouch here, and I also have some holsters. The holsters are tapered, so you don't have to worry about your cane falling through. This one is a pouch. The bottom's closed in, but the holsters have a V cut with the V, the point going upward. And when you put your cane in there, the ball will hang out at the bottom. I have pouches available right now. And I will put this in here. So those of you who can see it in there. Usually with the pouch, you have the cane tip upward. When you have the holster, the cane tip points down. Well, that's how I put mine in there. They can accept a 4-section, 5-section, and 6-section cane. On the back you have the belt loop. This one's leather. It's sturdy. I'm not going to do any prices because you can just check out their website or call them for different items. The back is rigid. The front has a soft pocket for your cane. And that's it for this. So this style, which is the pouch, comes in black leather and a blue denim. The holster, which has the V cutout, comes in blue denim, light blue denim with a pattern, pink with a pattern, green with a pattern, gray with a pattern, and the black leather, which I have. But I don't have it here. So I'll put that out the way. The next item up is the cane repair kit. I'm going to pour it out on the table here. Everything comes individually wrapped. It's also sold a la carte, like the cord here that goes inside the cane. That's included in the bag, your repair kit. You can call and get the pricing, and you can ask them questions like how long is the cord. I've done 2 cord repairs so far with another kit, not this. I got several since I have so many canes. You get reflective tape. So here's 3 strips of the red. I believe the red is 10 inches. And that's reflective, like I mentioned. And then you will get 10 pieces of the white reflective. It may look gray in the light because it's raining and it's dismal today. Well, my little birds that were singing to me are gone. And you get 10 pieces of this, and it's 14 inches. So that is your reflective tape that you're going to put on the cane. And let me explain real quick if you don't know how to do it. What I do is I take it vertically. I cut it to the size of the cane link. I wrap it around the cane. Let's see, I have the cane right here. And what I do is I just butt it up to the crease. You'll feel your cane. It has a seam there. And I just butt it up to the seam and wrap it around. And then that's it. I'm very careful. You just start with a little side of your reflective tape. You butt it against the line, and I just kept rubbing it as I'm turning it, rubbing up and down as I'm turning it, because I don't like bubbles and creases. And my favorite word, crookedness. But the first one I did, I had sighted help. But when they tried to do it, I was like, no, let me do it. I would say the 2 of us repaired the first cane. All right, so that's the reflective tape. Then the next one, this is called a cord fisher. It's a sturdy piece of metal, which I can hardly bend. It has a small tip at the end, and you'll put it in your cane section and hook on the cord, and you can pull it through. So that's a must. You get 2 tips. You get a non-rolling marshmallow, and you get a pencil tip, and these are white. And you also get a little stopper in it floating around in the bag. Everything comes in a sealed bag inside a sealed bag. You get printed instructions. There's 2 pieces of printed instructions. I left that to the side. And that's all you get in the cane repair kit. Now, for the tape, you can also get the reflective tape in different colors if you have different color canes like I do. Here are some in here. I have them laying in here a certain way because I don't want them really coiled. It's hard to work with coiled tape when you're trying to put on your cane. Next up is the cane hook. It's a little piece of rubbery material, it feels like. It's flat on the top. It has curvature on the bottom. It has a skinny kind of wing on the right and a flat kind of wing on the left. And I'm going to take the 2 wings, bending it towards me. And those of you who can see, I'm facing the camera. It has a seam that opens up like a mouth, like it wants to eat your cane. Okay, so now I'm going to take this cane hook, which is a small cane hook you'll see on Ambutech's website. The top, which is flat, that is the top. If you put it with the curvature on the top, it's wrong. So make sure you have the flat end. There's like a hole in the middle. There's 2 little holes on the side of the wing. I got it to the camera. Okay. Now, I have the seam which opens pointing away from me, which means the skinny part will be on my right and the flat part will be on my left. I'm going to place it against the cane shaft and then take the left and right wings and pull them towards me. And it's opening the hook so it can swallow my cane. So I'm putting it there, opening, and it goes right in. My cane just fits right in there. And if you want to adjust it, you just bend it and move it up or down the shaft, wherever you want to sit it. Because you may have a cane that's too tall for the table, and you may want to put the holder lower, or vice versa. It may be too short and you want to put it taller. Once the hook is placed on your cane, the part with the skinny edge, I'm putting my finger under it. That's where it will hang on your chair. Then I'm taking the flat part and putting my finger there and it's sitting on it. That's how it will sit on the table. So the flat edge is for a table. The curvature edge is for the chair. Now I'm going to take the 2 wings, bend them towards me again, and remove it from the cane. So that's handy. You can find your cane easily. Some people put them on the ground, under the chair or something, and they're there for a while trying to find the cane, because sometimes you have rude people that will just kick it out of the way, or maybe it will fall. And last is the Pharos cane light. Now this is 40 lumens. It's not that bright and it's not that dull. I'll turn it on. That's why I wanted to wait for dusk, but the rain beat me to it. But anyway, it's a little cylindrical item, and it has an edge, and it feels like there's foam in there. Do not remove that. That is supposed to be there. It goes against your cane. But first I'll show you how you charge it. I have the key ring at the top. It's attached to the top of this cane light, and I'm going to press down on it and twist it and then lift it up. And then you will see a USB plug in there, and you can plug that into any USB charger, like your computer, or I have outlets that have USBs and I stick it in there. So I'm going to put the top back on, press down and twist. So twisting to the left takes it off, putting it back down, twisting to the right locks it on. And then the bottom, where the light is, I'm holding it to the camera, I'm twisting it left, and I believe it's going on. I twist it to the right, it goes off. And it's only one way on, one way off, so you don't have to worry about, oh, I got to keep turning it 2, 3, 4 times. No, you just turn it once. So that's pretty handy. Let me hold it up to the camera so you can see how dim it is. But here it gets pitch black. There are no street lights, so it is pretty bright and you don't have that. Now, how to attach it to your cane? I am going to just do 2 rungs. And first I'm going to find the size of my cane. You get 3 adapters in here. So the very tiny one is your slimline cane. So if you own a slimline, that's for that. And then there's a big size and a middle size. I have graphite canes, so I use the middle size. This big one, I am assuming it is for aluminum canes. So what I do is I take this bracing is what I call it, or adapter, if you want to call it that, and I find where I want to put it on the cane. When it gets on the cane, it's very snug and you can't drag it up and down. So try to figure out where you want it, and then you try to pop it on there, which is tight. So I'm going to do that right now. There it is. I snapped it on. Then what I do is I take the part that has the foam on the flashlight and I click it into the brace or the adapter that's on the cane. And I press these 2 little wings on the left and right of it, which releases it and puts it on there. And I got my hand over here where the foam is, and I can feel it moving. So I'm going to press and slip it over. And there it is. It's on the brace. I'm trying to get it off. It's not coming off. So it's on the cane. And I just turn the light at the bottom, like I showed you earlier. It comes on. And you turn it off. It comes in the box off. So if you turn it the other way, it comes on. You turn it the opposite direction, it goes off. And it only takes a couple hours to charge. And then you just squeeze these 2 wings right here, and it releases just like that. No struggle. The only struggle, I'm putting it back on, I'm squeezing the wings, and it attaches. It's solid again. I'm going to squeeze the wings, take it off, there it goes. So I take my 2 thumbs, I put it on the left and right of the cane shaft around the brace. I try to cup my hand so it doesn't fly away. So that's cup, not cut. I try to cup my hands to catch it, and then I'm squeezing with my thumbs and it comes off and it's in my hand. To put it back on, you're going to place it against your shaft and you're going to push hard and it snaps on. To release it, you're going to take 2 thumbs, push it away from you, and it comes off. If you're interested in any of these items that Ambutech has for your cane, you can visit their website, ambutech.com, ambutech.com, and you go to the accessories section, and you can read all about them. Happy cane traveling! If you like informational videos like this one, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Click the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Anita waves goodbye. Scene changes to a green-colored backdrop. Rolling credits appear in bold creamy yellow colored text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary. TK, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.